Hello and welcome. You're watching the Bosco Media Network. This is RYMBUI bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Be the law. If the ones chosen to make laws are blind, urge KSU. If justice is delayed, KSKBUH will resort to an extensive rally. Son Borshulai visits gentleman in NEIGHRIMS hospital who was shot in MUKROH. And FKJGP detects immigrant workers without work permit in NONGPOH. Another news in detail. Khasi Students Union, KSU, today the 7th December 2022, observed the 28th death anniversary of Bullingdaw, who was one of the leaders of KSU, by garlanding his memorial stone as a mark of respect and remembrance. There was also a moment of silence to respect the departed soul of Bullingdaw. As a reminder, Bullingdaw was one of the vibrant leaders of KSU who sacrificed his life for the larger cause of the state. The relatives of Bullingdaw, office bearers, KSU Women's Wing, along with different branches of KSU, were present in honor of the departed soul. The president of KSU, Lombok Star Marngar, in his speech, urged the members of the union that they should take and shadow the examples led by Babul. In addition, he enlightened that one of the subject Bull gave everything in his ability was the inner line permit ILP, which the state government have not passed till date. It is still a pending demand resting as a resolution. He highlighted to the youngsters and members of the KSU that we need to become the law if the ones chosen to make laws are blind.
India banyo kacing menjur. Andai hadu mentamene gimla abasotu kata kesorkar India kadang bunkam bandong bagadang puli bak kadang peniak ya kata resolution mengila dawa petrikam ya ka ANP nilai iru haki dikendiat sengi nak kawai ke polkar parti ne kata ke parti nang thina po ritor ke bandong artatin spang ka ALP petrikam yo ka kata spang kata tourism yo ka kata spang kata kinong dua cungok ka parti andai kai mengasopsi galong teng-teng lasuri dengan hakanoma kaserniu handai gai bangi kuak ban keren kalong idon kam ya kita kian kebanyada ya kecak penriu hiro kowe ngem kuak kebakasor kal jala kala pelong do long snam ho arja kanriu kata ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act handai kubasusi galong ba hadu menta ya kataru la persyang ban kenyat ong ban hapan panjing betswa na kasokar dia ban petrikam ngemtep ngiyo kinok sensar kinong yalam bakumno keberan haspo sekretariat habai kaan la jong tang hapan pat jempet biang nang thina po nong ba thli nong ba dalhi kani karu komlong koman hakum kini kisngi kia ngasgoba teng kawara ka jigdo jeng kerman ka jeng artatin ya kari ba kajaj penru bakawai handai boy baki samla kidang shran boy baki samla kidang not pan keren bat boy baki samla kidang mi syakmat banjai perta jaki isu ba fair Masobonong katagadai kadak chonga jengkermen namta ba kajaj penriu kamdai bensak tombor bat kamdai bensak job hakino bat bot masbar man penjot ya gari ba kajaj penriu kawai.
KSKBUH on the 7th of December 2022 have appointed a new chairman of the union. This appointment was held in Majestic Hotel in Polo. Donboklang Karlingdo informed that the appointment of the new chairman of KSKBUH is to reinforce the union and to continue demanding for justice on Chesterfield Thank You's assassination. They also informed that starting from tomorrow, they will hold pocket meetings in different areas of Maulai, and if the government delays in acknowledging the demands, they will resort to an extensive rally.
Nama bangin kuat syuk bagi bakumuni jinjah kinjah syuk kinang yaijah kiwe pat pantajung perinyo trap te kumun seperti mau ini ba lesi ke ski ke pemenden ngelayuk pani kenduk kerpang bat ki officer ki badan political department meningi kenduk pasir bangin budin jaga ni ke kes semua ba lada ki kemal hantu nakliang jom u United Commission dia melakukan submit ke report ke Ongbat kan sekolah explanation ya gitu ki kulit juga taktikal teamwork dia menjadi kasking ngelayo pan let budin ban keling kalau poi hadu kan ke level nanti kata ka jing court explanation ke jongpi jadi ka khado hi ka long ba kajubam kam shimla long clear mat kam shimla penhun ini nomor ba borok juba kalau be under process la nangi kli kan nungut ki numbers jong ki breu ki ba philosophy ka shitin ta explanation kim la ban juba la nangi kli ya ka time frame lano pitmu ban pendam ya ka explanation kim la ban juba de halo jong ini bagi sto ba ki dei ki officer ki ba haban sngap ya ka high level la ni ki breu dan kam shijro ka bang bot ya ka sarkar mdi Timundang singing lerai, banal yang jongi, kumbang ilaong, nginam sange, nginyele hero hadok bangidayo, yo so jong jingjam, tinglarai ba, ngile kenduk no, wat ka appointment.
BJP MLA from South Shillong, Meghalaya on the 7th of December 2022 paid a visit to people who were shot in MUKROH and are now admitted in NEIGHRIMS hospital for treatment. The medical superintendent of NEIGHRIMS hospital accompanied Meghalaya in paying a visit to two gentlemen in their treatment rooms. Meghalaya had also extended a helping hand to these affected people so that they can disburse the hospital bills while still under treatment in the particular hospital.
Tenda kalian menjungi rumah Sokia, tengok puar mentasi begini awan IJRM. Dia pelai tu apa yang keli, bopli tu tu baru armut kita ginong rep, kita kita badung, but kajingi juga baret, banyak keli mentan yai jingdon kun baru armut kita bawa mensau, kita barang syak sumat, kita kun mandrung, kita imajing imku bekerja. Teng bopli itu ada kerja Arab jong ki nakaliang government nani ki riusimet ki balang moper wan Arab susne ki seng balang ki riusimet te ni nakaliang jungi ru ya wan penaja Arab te maki don katukan ne ki jinglut bagi hapan ya tiet nabar kumiwe ari dawai mereka kepala ngasu benai kubule Dr. Daniela si dan Daniela yang tayo Dr. Mehta beri direktor kibla ai ya kerja Arab kamtam Dr. Si Daniel kabaila sim yang jeng Pak Akli ngerong sodong man pet kumno ba kinum ban penbiang di tawai kita sin te nakaliang doktor bergini PRO kin ya ka health condition kila batai ba don kibanang kibla de sasna kin sawan biang hadin utu weiru don bakala pralut kana ka kejong kana ka ngap mo sopo te kita ka kita tiar kita ki ban pentaj ban le surgery don we ban le plastic surgery ban le operation ban tap ya kila de order na saban dalawan ki tap kata nomor bak ngobrol mentah bang tinggi ke gi habam bam jimbam bajam nomor ban bam kuai ban bam ki do imlat kapang.
The Federation of Khasi and Garu people, FKJGP, without prior notice, had marched down to Paham's RYMBUI district, tracking down immigrant workers with no proper work permit. This checking was regulated by Paham's AIM unit on the 7th of December 2022 under the leadership of Banbudin Suting, the president, with the company of Bonki Mauplang, secretary, Jeffrey Lungdo, vice president, Pentingan Nongshli, assistant secretary, and the members of the union. The documents demanded by the union included right from the labor license and police verification. Banbudin Suting, president, informed that the checking was conducting after they saw the influx of immigrant workers in the region and the small shop owners by the roadside of the Paham's AIM border. The leaders of the FKJGP detected a few of the people without a proper work permit. 7 days' time was given to the people without work permit to get the documents at hand before initiating any business in the region, otherwise the union will take stern action against them.
Kajing kentu bagi trying kalong ba usiar so pina IMMIGRANT reno marka di kajing klik kajupi pina IMMIGRANT cuma kantam gini singi gini benai usiar di kajing klik kajupi baga senong atau kasong suk songsan tang senong atau tabri ju trap hi barak away kasong suk songsan Nakaliang ngajungi niyo borohi lai biang dot ngredan tang ar lai dukan bangilap bombiang bad kita gi bangalap lale bidak kam bilakang bad ni iPhone iki si tayo bombiang ikut isla ada kimla kasang hingga sale ke dukam
Tekai keruak apa saya nakaliang juki kasang habai dia begini gi bar jela gi bawan mendung cene kasong juki klem ikut isla bombiang
keruak nakaliang ngajungi kasang nakabasay kalong ba ada kikim biang nakabasay hi le ekam ibong ba ni nam itu iki kisong hasnong bad kim don hok hiru ban song hasnong tang matre ban kata ban le ino no kamru kabasay hi bangin be iki
atau ada hakani cing itre nyopi kaseng bahalang nakaliang kasong ka don yang support ie nakaliang juki
kasnong malapha iki kot tiglai trilang hi tiga Shillong no bakasnong ka bulkam tagasni super andre ka cing trilang basnong gidon hi bangi
Lakman RYMBUI, Minister of Education of Meghalaya, inaugurated the JJM scheme in MUPYUT, West Janta Hills, whereby residents of the area receives drinking water in every household. MUPYUT consists of not less than 417 households. The expenses incurred for providing water tap in MUPYUT was around 7.46 crores, also known as MUPYUT Water Supply Scheme. On this fortunate day, household water tap was inaugurated by Lakman RYMBUI along with the company of R. Kinjing, Executive Engineer PHE, Lamdibok Sumer, ex-MDC of War Jantia East, village administrators, elders, men and women and youngsters from adjacent areas. Lakman RYMBUI exclaims that he is glad MUPYUT now has access to water tap, but he aspires to witness a new lower primary school that will soon be constructed at the cost of 37 lakhs. He also promised to upgrade the Shken Persit upper primary school to a secondary school.
Ketendar haka pratri ukut ka akhnetri ukut ka wayaw sangrang ya gani kesurak kayang pi. Kini to kiwai kam ginong mikman I dak lai cepat ba tengah kanito keburam markeliang pi buram pinga David unity pi jet pi manomik pada ngaburam pi deki kam ne menta ka jementoy yang bersno tengah nakaliang kayo nga hagani opor kabo ang ka engineer kantu yu pi yu sumar pi assets yang besarkar yor EGP kinim to kiyong kesarkar ki umbam di togyam nga kantuy pi amhoy upan pai thnu pi pai de yoy ki lengi thau ki wa jrong ga sos ta bon sen ki nong chong chnong pan pai thnu ki yo yo ki di han rai tip ki wa to ke ni to udu ka chnong ka thau ta nga na ga nga kantuy yo ip ki ti kre lang yo kre lang Gijam kam yang kachlong kathaw to dukat ni dang bon gijing kam nai ba chibon gi bro hai por election pen bet yu le kita the dev election menling hamre marumboy mamli kasamanong ka chnong ka jingai ni snyau kmen to kaya kasamanong ar klur ar bhawila da yo sanction sochna yu sangrong ar kilometer chitay yaga chnong kanito I kamki nong mikmat I paijingay kamon yo ye kuntu yaga nik inlang kasalang yo yukulang.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.